Please subscribe to my channel and press bell icon for latest videos. I want to tear down this ChargeTech company power bank. They have two AC outlets, two USB ports, one switch, and the backside is like this. And almost 42,000 mAh battery and 154 watt hour. So this is very good power bank, and I use almost like 6 months, and I charge my laptop for 5 times, phone 20 times, and other things, many things you can do from this power bank. And this is good for camping. So let's start. First, take out like this from this one, like this one out. Then they have a 2 screw on here. Remove 2 screws. After that, like this, and put the flat screwdriver on this side. Yeah, like this. And they have a one more lock on this side, like this. Okay, now it comes half. After that, one more lock on this side. After that, like this, comes easy one. Almost half open. Like this. They have a board like this inside. One piece there, and this is these things, and they have a, I'll try this way. Very easy, maybe like this. Okay, these two are batteries connections, and like this. Now this is a sensor for heat. When the battery hit, then the fan works. And this is a fan, and this is a board. The board is same like inverter board. Now this is a battery, and I will remove this battery. This is so strong. Try this way. Okay. The cover like this, and this is a battery. So they have a 16 batteries, and this is a heat sink, and battery like this. they have a one more circuit on here, see. So this one protects everything. Okay, this is the thing. Everything back. Okay. And this. This is a fan. So the fan goes on. The sensor goes inside here. This one was going inside that. Okay, now this one is good. Now let's check. Now I wanna check adapter. Check this. Yeah, charging. Good. Looks good. Yeah, it's good. Thank you for watching my video. Bye.